I'm going to do a quick comparison between the LG G7 and the LG V30, and if you should pay the more to upgrade to the LG G7, or should you save your money and buy the LG V30. So let's get into both phones first of all. Okay, just load up CPU Z. Okay, so here's CPU Z. So this is running Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. This is running the 835. This is clocked at 2.8 GHz, 2.4 GHz. They both have the same amount of cores. Okay. GPU wise, this has the 630 Adreno. That's the 540 Adreno. If I go to device itself, okay, forget you wish. Same with that. Okay, you can see that's the model name. Okay, board hardware. This is 6-inch, 6.8 inch. This is a 6-inch. This is they're both the same resolution display, but this is a bit wider, so it's pushing less pixel, but it's got a higher resolution, if you know what I mean. Okay, and they both have the same RAM, 4 gigs. So go to battery. This is where the is a bit different. The battery on this is 3000 milliamps. I think this is 3400 milliamps. So this is a bit bigger in battery wise and a bit smaller, but this is the biggest display. So battery on these two phones, I say has to go to this. This wins on battery wise. On hardware wise, this wins. Next I'm going to talk about is camera. Now they both have the exact same cameras. Okay, forget about this bit missing here. I did crack the back glass of this. So they both have the exact same camera, exact same setup, but I think they improved it on this where it failed on this. So it's exactly the same. So both 16 for the main camera, and I think another 16 for the wide angle lens. Both LED flash and laser autofocus. They both have fingerprint sensors at the back. So continuing with the camera. Let's go on here. So you can see here's the camera. You can see it's nice and smooth. So if focus immediately with no hesitation whatsoever. So let me just put this box here as the main object. Instantly. Now let's try this. So that took a bit of time. Can you see that does lag a bit? That is lagging behind a bit. This is nice and smooth. Okay, that's in the wide angle, so let's go normal mode. Can you see that's nice and smooth? And this is, yeah, it's a bit laggy, it's a bit behind, you can tell. So camera wise, a point to this, so is 2-1. So this with hardware, camera, this just with the battery. Now I've got both phones here playing the exact same video. So on the V30 it's only outputted in 1080p 60 frames per second HDR, and in the LG G7, if you get it up, it's posted at 4040 60 fps HDR. So there's a different resolution wise. Even though they both have the roughly exact same amount of pixel, there is pushing more pixel per inch than this. So let me just play both videos and you can look for yourself. So straight away for me, from looking with my eyes not through the phone camera, is that the LG G7 does have a bit of more of depth of a field, or more depth of colors. The white are whiter, the green and greener, if you know what I mean. And now I'm gonna turn volume on this G7, hear the sound difference as well. So I'll just shut up for a minute. So that was the G7 volume test. Now this is the V30 volume test. So I can see this is much louder with the boombox built in. 100% much louder. And my last test is battery test because I haven't touched on it that much. And I haven't had the G7 for long. And I haven't had the V30 on charge for long either. Like I just recently put this on charge as well. So battery life I can't like compare yet until I use both phones fully. But I can see so far on the LG G7 I put this on charge at 3 o'clock. And it's down to 20%. And it's had almost 5 hours of screen usage. And it's only got 1 hour 47 minutes left. So that's almost like 5 hours ish of screen time, which is pretty much pathetic. 5 hours is nothing. Now with the V30 I only had 47 usage, but I had this phone for longer and been using it for longer. I guarantee you this got about 6.5, 7, maybe 8 hours of screen on time. It was pushing it. It will last me, but not as long as this would. The extra 300 milliamp battery will help this phone to the larger display. So what are my final thoughts on both of these phones? Well, hands down in hardware, camera, display, speaker, this wins. Pure battery wise, this wins. So I say, even though the battery life let this phone down, get this phone. 100% down, get this phone. You won't be disappointed. 100% get this phone. It's well worth the upgrade because this cost me a second hand 350. This cost me 430. So paying a couple pounds more, you can get a better phone. So I say save a bit more, forget this phone and get the G7. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of this video. Tell me what other tests I should do between these two phones. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.